So guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to make money with ClickBank on Autopilot. Now this can be done with any affiliate product, and I'm going to show you how to do this on Autopilot using an automated system that every affiliate marketer who is successful uses. So if you're interested in seeing this method, stay tuned with this video. Alright guys, today we're going to be talking how to make $500 with ClickBank on Autopilot. Alright, so I'm going to be explaining how you can make money online for free or using paid advertising, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in today's video. But before we get started, my name is Zeb Summers. I talk about online entrepreneurship, make money online, affiliate internet digital marketing. I'm here to help you along your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell to get notified every day when I put out these videos. And also, if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's content, post it below and I will reply. All right, guys, let's get started with today's video. I'm excited to share with you how exactly you can get started in affiliate marketing. So first thing I'm going to do is, what we want to do is we want to find a product in ClickBank. All right, so we want to find a product in ClickBank that we can promote. All right, so this can be anything, but we want to pick out 3 niches. We want to pick out wealth, health, or relationships. All right, so those are the top 3 niches that we want to promote, and those are the top 3 money-making niches, which is what we're here for. Is we're here to make money. We're not here to just twiddle our thumbs and do this as a hobby. We're here to make money, and we could pick dogs or whatever, right? But we want relationship or health or wealth. All right, so we're gonna do let's do health and fitness. Let's just jump in here real quick, and we'll do uh, diets and weight loss, fat belly fix, fat disseminator. So first thing we want to do is you come in here and go to gravity. Gravity, and we want to sort it by gravity. We can do red tea detox. Looks like a good one. All right, so we'll do red tea detox, and this is what we're going to pick out. All right, so we want to send our list to this video. All right, to this page, so they can watch this video and go to the next page and actually get a purchase of $28.63. All right, so let's go ahead and go over to Funnelytics. So what I'm going to teach you in today's video are the skills you need to promote anything. It's not just ClickBank. It's not just JVZoo. It's not just Warrior Plus. It's everything. Everything you want to promote is going to be, this is going to be the system and the magic that makes you money, period. All right? So the first thing we want to do is we want to find traffic, right? So this traffic is going to be coming from a few different places, all right? So we're going to have email traffic, all right? We're going to have Facebook traffic. We're going to have Google traffic. We're going to have Instagram traffic, all right? We're going to have Reddit traffic. We're going to have YouTube traffic, all right? So these are all places that you're going to get traffic to your offer, all right? So our very first thing we want to do is we want to have an offer. So we want to have an opt-in page. Now, all these things are going to come to an opt-in page. So I'm going to basically set these up just like this. And bear with me as I sit here and do this, but basically what's happening here is we're linking all this stuff to an opt-in page. What we're trying to do is gather emails for this stuff. All right. We're going to be sending traffic. Either we're going to do solo ads. We can maybe rename this to solo ad, but it's good enough. Email. We're going to use solo ads. We're going to use Facebook. We're going to use Google. We're going to use. Now let's get rid of Google because Google Plus is kind of shitty. All right, we'll just use these things right here. Solo ad, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, and we are gonna use that to promote our link to this opt-in page. This opt-in page is gonna grab email address and name. All right, simple, simple. This opt-in is going to say something very, very simple. Let's go back to this red tea where mom melts away 41 pounds of fat. All right. So what do we want to do? We want to say shed 1 pound of fat every 72 hours with this awesome trick. All right. So you want some catchy phrase. Shed 1 pound of fat every 72 hours with this weird hack. All right. So we want something like that to say in here, and that's going to have people opt in. All right. So after they opt in, what we're going to have is a bridge page. Now, let's just make this bridge page. And what this is going to be is the page that you send your traffic to after they click opt in. Okay. So after they enter their email address, they're going to go, yes, I want in. And they're going to go to this page. What this page is going to do is this is going to be like, hey, my name is Zeb Summers. Welcome. Thanks for clicking and joining my email list. Blah, blah, blah. On the next page, you're going to see how a mom melts away 41 pounds of fat. And this can be done in the first couple hours of your weight loss. All right. So you could be like, this special hack is going to show you how to lose 1 pound of fat every 72 hours. And you're going to say something like that in this video. All right. So once you say that in this video, you explain what they're clicking on. You explain the product, but you don't want to tell them too much. All right. You kind of want to explain that it's a special thing, right? So they go over to that page. So they're going to hit get access now. All right. And then that's going to take them to the sales page. And what we want to do is we want this sales page, all right, to do all the selling for us. So when they go to this sale page, they're going to read it, and they're either going to buy or they're not. Most people won't. All right. So what we have to do is we have to come back up here and we have to get email. All right. So we got email. Going out. Then we want a couple different emails, right? We want an email autoresponder to go out. All right. And this is going to just constantly send out emails about this product, right? So your first email is just going to be like a welcome email. Hey, my name's Zeb. Thanks for opting into my email address. Blah, blah, blah. If you didn't get a chance to check out my YouTube channel, check it out. And then that's all it's going to be about, all right? So you're not going to pitch nothing to sales at all. The next one, you'll be like, hey, did you get a chance to check out the red detox or something like that? And you want to keep pushing them back to the offer. All right. So you want to keep pushing them back to the offer, but also add value to these emails. All right. So these emails could be like, here's a trick to lose a pound, or here's how you could eat better, or here's a special recipe. But hey, did you go check out the red detox? You always want to point them back to this offer, because this is where the magic's at, right here. All right. This is a sales funnel. This is the dynamics of a sales funnel. All right. So it doesn't matter what product you pick in ClickBank, you need to have this in place. All right. And you can use products like Builderall, which I talk about all the time. And guys, hit the link down below to get signed up for Builderall. It's free, 7 days, and you can do all this in Builderall. It's got an email autoresponder, which is an email campaign manager, basically. All right. So a lot of times when people say autoresponders, it is confusing. It's very confusing. It's an email campaign builder. All right. It allows you to store your email addresses and send out automatic emails or send out newsletters daily. You can just type them, send them to your whole email list, but it allows you to capture the emails that are captured in this opt-in page, right? Get put into your autoresponder. So for Builderall, for instance, Builderall is going to be the cheapest place to start. If you're new to affiliate marketing, use Builderall. If you're experienced, go ahead and use your GetResponse, your ClickFunnels, Bluehost to host your website, WordPress. But if you don't have all that money to do that, use Builderall because it's cheap. And you can be an affiliate for it for $49 a month. You can have all the tools you need and get commissions off of it 2 tiers deep. So guys, sign up today with the link below to Builderall so you can get all these tools so you can do this. And then you can start promoting this stuff. All these products in ClickBank. You can do it over and over and over. All you got to do is this simple thing here. This is all free traffic, guys. You can do solo ads. Solo ads you got to buy. All right. And I'll link a description. I'll link a video at the end of this description to a Udemy video. I tell you exactly how to find a good vendor to get solo ads. All right. You can do Facebook ads. You can do YouTube. You don't even have to do Facebook ads. You go to Facebook groups and just be like, hey, check out this, join a couple of health weight loss groups, build some rapport, do the same thing in Reddit, on Instagram, on YouTube. All right, do reviews of all the products. Start a review channel and do reviews on products. And then have a link to your opt-in page, which gathers an email address, and then put your emails. All right, and then do a bridge page and a sales page. Now all these companies, if you come over here to like this one, the Red Tea Detox, yeah, you want to become affiliate. They're gonna have email swipes, all kinds of stuff already built for you. All right, guys. So you can go in there and you can just copy the email swipes and make them your own. Or just send out simple emails. It don't have to be complicated. Your emails don't have to be complicated. It can be really simple, straight to the point, and just tell the people what they want to hear. All right? So you're joining these groups, you're talking about the products, you send them to your opt-in page. Most important thing. If you want to see an opt-in page, click one of the links down below and it's going to send you to an opt-in page. You're going to enter your email address, your name, and then it's going to take you to the next page. I have a free ebook down below in the description. If you just want to see how the fundamentals of this works, click on that link, download my free ebook, and see the process, right? So I would recommend you go out and just see the process. Enter your information in other people's opt-in pages and go through the whole sales funnel. Maybe even buy something. But you want to do that, all right? So click link in the description and go through one of my sales funnels and you'll get to see the dynamics of these sales funnels and how they work. You'll see what emails I send out. All right. You can use the emails I send out to give you ideas to send out to other people. All right. So, guys, I hope this made sense to you and I hope this was of some value. But this is how you can make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 a week. You can make your first $500K with ClickBank doing this right here, doing this simple process. And I'm telling you guys, this can all be done with Builderall. This can all be done and set up very easy. There is no reason why you can't get signed up with Builderall today. Start their training, go through it, and have this whole setup done in like 1 or 2 days. You can have a setup in 1 day if you want to really put some 8 to 10 hours into it. You can set all your information up and just start pushing traffic to it. All right, join Facebook groups and start promoting your stuff. But whenever you do a Facebook group, this is a tip. All right, this is a good tip. Whenever you go to a Facebook group, you join it. You do a post of something that's intriguing to people out there, and and you just say, if you want some info, type info below. They type info, don't give them your link. Tell them to inbox you and friend you on Facebook, and then you send them their link. All right, you don't want to just give the link out in the comments. You want to keep getting that conversation and that relationship and that rapport built. All right, because this is all cold traffic. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of ad hoc, but I want to just put this out here because this is very important for everybody to understand. All right, if you're getting into affiliate marketing with ClickBank and you don't understand this, you're not going to make it. Period. Point blank. Period. All right, guys. Again, if you're looking for a passive income stream like I have, check out the link down below. My #1 recommended Make Money Online program. Check it out. It's very awesome, and it will get you well on your way to making $100 to $300 every single day on Autopilot. All right, guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like to see in the future. And if you have any questions, post them down below. Again, guys, peace out, and I hope you have a great day.